So, hello guys. Tuturo ko sa inyo ang tuturo agad, no? Ay, mamaya naman gawin bagong video. At tayo nga ay tuturuan ni Pakistani ni Hassan na tao ni Abu. I-share niya ang kanilang basmati rice from Pakistan.
When you rock the mic, put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic, put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic, put your foot on.
Dito tayo sa may kagat, bibili mo tayo ng Yapol. Nandito naman kami ngayon sa bilihan ng stroke. Hey! Hoy! Sila mga kaibigan, nandito tayo sa merkado. Yun, no?
Yan po, plaga.
So, nandito na tayo sa parking ng Plaza Central. Maraming tao. Dumadami na tao. Pero ang pupunta natin ay nandun. Si Biryani. At tayo nakatawid na. Pero siyempre meron po siyang pedestrian lane. Kaya doon tayo tumawid. So nandito tayo sa pwesto na. Bibili mo tayo na kutsuta. Ayan.
Only.
25. Yes. Thank you, thank you. Ito muna ating kutsuta. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Bukawi. Papakita ko sa inyo paggawa ng basmati rice. So ito nga pala yung mga pagkain na mabibili dito. Mga kaibigan, tayo ngayon ay ganito kaibigan dito na tuturuan tayo paggawa ng what you call that? Okay. Wait. I will going to teach us how to make a biryani. Ito siya, oh. Yeah. This is our friend Hassan. Sorry, so dark. We have no lights here. Yeah, see you. Yeah, this is an said to my channel. You know? This is the first time I'm going to shoot with other language. We're using English. He can understand Tagalog, but a little. Just a little. Yeah.
Washing rice.
Washing rice.
3 times.
Nalagyan niya ng pinakamantika. They use put some oil.
This is the sauce is garlic,
Yeah.
ginger,
Yeah.
and onion.
Okay.
And oil. And also we mix 7 spoons salt. Then biryani masala. Now we put biryani masala. this we put rice.
Okay.
Here, basmati rice. You see the sauce is already cooked. So we put rice and water. We bring rice. And wait for 25 minutes or 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it's already cooked.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Hassan, you can greet someone, your friends, your relatives in Pakistan. Go ahead.
I have in Philippines my friend Abu Noor, and I have also more friends, but he is living in Manila, and I live here alone with Abu. Ono is owner of Biryani Point. He's my friend.
Okay. Okay, tell them about this channel. You can invite them.
Also like and subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you. Salamat. And again, just the good square. And I start already.
Wait. And also you can invite him to this channel.